It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company by the name of Vevor. So if you want to see what I'm going to be unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, big timers, old timers, t-shirtpreneurs, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome first timer. Y'all, this package that I got in today is gonna help a lot of people, I feel like. So if you've been doing t-shirts for a period of a few months and you've been using vinyl, I'm pretty sure you've been looking for a way to be able to print shirts faster, to print more shirts in less time. So this product that I'm getting ready to unbox is something that I discovered back when I used to do vinyl and when I was doing a lot of shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything and let you guys check it out. All right, y'all. So, whoa, I'm about to dump the card over. I got everything on my, I guess, not so sturdy card. So I'm gonna go ahead and, as you see right here, this package is from the company Vevor. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this box first. And then we're gonna open up this box and we're gonna talk a little bit about what we can do with these products. All right, so when I open up this box right here, it's actually gonna give everything away, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open it up and then let y'all check out what I have. And also, I'm gonna have a coupon code below this video for y'all, just in case y'all are interested in purchasing one of these, cause I will be doing some classes real soon. All right, let's see if I can slide them out. All right, oops, something fell. Let me grab that. All right, so I am not exactly sure what this is. I think it's a squeegee, but I'm gonna open it up and see right here. As y'all see, I have two screens right here, and these are the 20 by 24 screens. And I feel like they are a good start if you're starting out with the 20 by 24. If you have to start with something smaller, you know, that's okay too. But this is the biggest size that I have ever used and I continue to use today. So let me see. And these screens right here, they are a little bit thinner than the regular screens I usually use. I'm trying to see if they actually have the mesh count on this screen. These screens are actually 180 mesh right here. And if you are interested in learning more about screen printing, I do have videos posted about mesh count. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna move these out of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see what this is. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't really know what this was. This is actually some silver tape. I guess in case you need to recover your screens or anything, it's some silver tape, or maybe you can use it for screen printing. But it is silver tape. I'm gonna go ahead and move that out of the way. And now we're gonna get to the main event. All right, y'all, I did get a new tripod. I don't know if y'all can tell, but y'all ought to be able to see a difference in that viewing angle. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna slide that box out the way, and we're gonna get to the main event. All right. So, as y'all see from the instructions we have right here, we have a screen printing press right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything. Let me see if I can take it out without tearing everything up. Okay. So we got the screen printing press right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let me see, take out the base right here. So here's the base. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take all the parts out of the box. And I think I'm gonna do a separate how to put it together video. And then I'm gonna come back on this video and I'm gonna show y'all what everything looks like put together. And then I am gonna do some more videos on this. In the other videos, I am going to be showing you how to use the press, and I am going to be starting some classes pretty soon. So if you want to get this same equipment so you can follow along, that's going to be great. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out. It comes with the tools right here. We got all the bolts right here, and everything is numbered. As y'all see right there, everything is numbered. So you shouldn't have any issues following along. The tools are not numbered, but we know that's the tools right here. Taking everything out, and I'm sorry, I am doing this at my shop, so I do get interrupted sometimes. All right. Oh, that one was kind of stuck in there. So we got everything out of the box, messing up on my film. And so we're gonna go ahead and slide this box out of the way. I almost left out a very important part that should be in the bottom of this box, because I was looking at everything and I'm like, something is missing. So let me see, I'm gonna pull this out. And we should have right here, as y'all see right here, this is the platen right here. And this platen is pretty big. This is a big platen right here. But we got the platen right here. And they already, for some reason, already have the center line drawn on there. Maybe it's to help out the new people, but I like to cover mine and keep my platens protected. All right, so now we have this last part, which is the platen. And this is a huge platen, y'all. I don't even know. That platen is huge, y'all. Let me check and see something right quick. I'm gonna get a youth large shirt and I'm gonna see if they can fit on here. All right, so I have a youth large shirt right here, and I just want to see if that's going to be able to fit on here. A youth large. It can fit on here. It can fit on here. That's a youth large right there. Yeah, it'll fit on here. Now let me just try a youth small. All right, so we got a youth small shirt here, and this youth small, y'all, the youth small is gonna have a tough time fitting on here, but we about to try it and see. Yeah, you kind of got to stretch it out to fit the youth small on there. Yeah, it's stretched out a little bit. You can get some smaller platens. They do sell smaller platens. I know you probably would want it to come with a regular size platen, but this is a huge, huge platen right here. If you're a little handy, you could cut it off. Cut off about maybe 3 inches or so from each side, 2-3 inches from each side. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put together, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys. So I finally got this thing put together. It did take me a good minute. If you want to know all the details about it, make sure you check out the video of me putting together the Vevor 4-color 1-station press. So I am going to just kind of show you guys, bring it down here. And I don't have it set up for printing yet, because this would not be the place. You would have to bring this out some if you want to actually be able to print. But the next video that you see with this press, if it's not the putting together of the press, is going to be me showing you how to print with the press. So this is everything. Yeah, we did get everything together. I do have some improvements I'm going to do to the press and some accessories I'm going to be having to make in order for me to use the press the way that I want to use it. So y'all stay tuned for that if you're interested. If this video was interesting, if you found it helpful, or if you liked something, or if I made you laugh or smile, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you in another episode. But until then, be blessed.